for the opening faceoff, so let's get down to center ice. Faceoff won by Sakic. Right in front. Quick up to Schneider. Detroit will get a chance to move out. Passed ahead to Turgeon. Here's Nick Lidstrom. He passes the puck to Holmstrom, and he'll start out of his own zone to center. To Milan Hajduk. Shoots it! Saved by Osgood. He passes it to Zetterberg. Over center. Picked off up to Hajduk. Now it's passed to Holmstrom. Passed over to Lyles. Colorado will get a chance to move out. To Milan Hajduk. Now he's moved it into the attacking zone. He steals it. Shoots the puck from in front. Here's Andrew Brunette. Here's Turgeon, who hasn't registered a shot on goal so far. Ripped hard from the slot. Samuelson. Front of the net. Pass up to Turgeon. Quick shot, turned away by Osgood. Another stop. Samuelson. Grabbed by Detroit to Maltby. Shoots the puck. That's not a difficult save for Theodore. Yet another stop to LePerriere, and he dumps the puck in. Passed over to Chelios. Goes behind his net. To Kirk Maltby. Here's Nicholas Kronwall. He cleared the puck. And it's touched for icing. Mike Babcock, the coach of the Red Wings, started his NHL career with the Anaheim Ducks. The faceoff goes to the Red Wings. They move it into the neutral zone. Fires it! Theodore got a pad. Oh, off the crossbar. Shoots quickly. Detroit picked it up to Datsuk. And another shot. Theodore turned the shot aside. Shoots the puck. He stopped it again. Behind the net. Over to Svatos. Now it's passed to Turgeon. One-timer. Turned aside by Osgood. Grabbed by Colorado. Over to Turgeon. Another stop. To Dowd. One-time shot. It's corralled by Dowd. He scores! It's a late first period opening goal. Colorado takes the lead late in the first.
I've got a feeling the next one won't take quite as long.
Face-off won by Williams. Clark. Under 2 minutes to go in the first. Shoots! Saved by Osgood. Here's Chris Draper, looking for his first shot on net. Hard shot from the left, and he whistled it wide of the net. Theodore stones him. About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Hard on net from the point. From behind the net. The shots are 9-7 for Colorado. Fires from deep in the slot. Here's Pavel Datsuk. To Nick Lidstrom. Now passed over to Zetterberg. Turned aside by Theodore. To Turgeon, and he carries it into the attacking zone. Shoots it. Holmstrom behind the net. To Zetterberg. Shoots the puck. Steered aside by Theodore. Grabbed by Colorado. To Joe Sakic. Now he carries the puck to center. To Pierre Turgeon. Scoop post. From behind the net. Out they'll start. Here's Thomas Holmstrom. He's got one shot on net so far tonight. He dumped it in. To Brunette. He intercepted it. Ahead to Lang. Now he moves the puck into the attacking. Oh, he hit the post! Out comes Joe Sakic. Here's Milan Hayduk. Oh, he shot! Osgood got a leg on it. To Kirk Maltby. Over center. Slap shot! And Theodore makes a nice save. He passes it to LePerriere. He turned the puck over to Cronwall. Back the other way. Fires it right on! Theodore makes the save. Taken by Colorado. And they're out of their own zone to center. He dumped it in. Here's Nicholas Cronwall to Robert Lang. He steals it. Skrastich clears it safely away. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. Fires hard. Missed the net. Out come the Red Wings. Puck jumped on by LePerriere. He passes the puck to Wolski. One-timed it. Went just wide of the net. Red Wings take possession. Colorado scoops it up. McLean. Quick shot from the left. Osgood makes the stick save. It's cleared out by Lidstrom. And they get called for icing. Theodore had an easy time with that shot. Easy pad save. Face-off won by Turgeon. Schneider has it. Out of his own zone to center. They're in over the blue line on the attack. Quick up to Hayduk. Cleared out by Lidstrom. And that's icing. The ref is signaling for the face-off. Face-off won by Datsuk. To John Michael Lyles, who played college hockey at Michigan State. Healy, he brings it over the line. Less than 2 minutes to go in this second period. Up to Konowalchuk. Fires it! Woolley. He stopped that too!
You cannot, I repeat, cannot go down 2 goals going into the third. Good save.
Into the corner. The puck is about to be dropped. Red Wings get another draw. Here's Andrew Brunette. The shots are 14-11 for Colorado. Passed over to Svatos. Here come the Avalanche as they move out of their own zone. Dumped in by Lidstrom. He intercepts it. Pass up to Turgeon. Throws it at the net. Saved by Osgood. To Svatos. Here's Pavel Datsuk. Quick shot! Here's Pavel Datsuk. One-timer! Just missed the net. Intercepted. And he passes the puck to Turgeon. Shoots the puck from the slot. Jumped on by Detroit. Here's Thomas Holmstrom. He's had a good, hard-working blue-collar game. He dumps the puck in. Here's Joe Sakic. His hands are dirty. He's had a good, hard-working game. To Svatos. Quick shot from beside the net. Lang. He passes it to Dowd. Shot the puck from the left. Fired the puck just wide of the net. To Maltby. Puck grabbed by Healy. One-time shot. He misses. Cronwall grabs the puck. He clears it safely out. Puck corralled by Lyles. Healy. Cuts in front. Osgood made the brilliant save. Outstart the Red Wings. They're into the attacking zone. To Robert Lang. Takes the shot. Theodore made the save. Healy. To Konowalchuk. Shoots the puck. Lidstrom in control now. Shoots the puck. He misses. Detroit finds it over to Lidstrom. Puck taken by Datsuk. Shoots the puck from the right. Just missed the net. Here's Milan Hajduk, who's been all around the net, but oh, there's a shot. Missed by a mile. Here's Milan Hajduk. Here's Zetterberg. What a gritty performance he's put on.
Made him look bad with that deep.
Into the slot. Here's Andrew Brunette. He's had a good, hard-working, blue-collar game. Shoots! Osgood makes the save.
Good job to keep his team in it with time running out here in the third.
Shoots quickly. He misses. Puck jumped on by Woolley behind the net. Puck is cleared by Woolley. Brunette with the puck. He brings it over the line. Front of the net. Osgood stoned him. To Hajduk. Another shot. He blocked it. That's a great play. Less than 2 minutes to go here in the third. Quick shot from the right. Cleary. We're down to the final minute of the third. Colorado beats out the icing. Oop, post. Cleary. Now he moves the puck into the attacking zone. Osgood is leaving the net.
Jim, they need numbers now. They need offense. There isn't much time to tie this thing up.
He picked it off to Draper. In the corner. Shoots it! Just wide of the goal. Brunette behind the net. Quick up to Turgeon. Now he moves it to center. In he comes. Over to Sakic. He gives it up. Holmstrom dumped it in. To Hajduk. Into the last 10 seconds of the third. That ends it. Colorado takes the win and the series with it.